Hey everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here. Today I am talking about the actual splurge-worthy hype products that I've tried. Oof, I look so business lady from the top up. Let me give you an idea of the fit. I've got like ripped jeans and this thing is oversized and it's not all that, you know? She's a much more relaxed lady than she looks from the top up. We're gonna keep with it because I feel cute. I just need to let you guys know it's not all that serious. Welcome to today's video. So, as somebody that exists in the beauty space, as a industry professional, if you will, I see a lot of really hypey products out there. They're often splurgy, and so much of the time I wonder if they're worth it. And then I try them out, and sometimes they are, and sometimes they're not. So today, let's just focus on the really good stuff, because you might still be making some Christmas lists. So I want to help you out in that endeavor. Or, you know, just like a wish list, just like a manifestation list for 2021, like whatever it is. These are all splurges. Some of them are a smaller ticket price than others, so hopefully good for everybody. That being said, let's get into it. Very first one I gotta talk about is Kenzie. I am working with them one more time in 2020 for this video because I love this thing. It's an at-home laser hair removal device that uses IPL, which is essentially intense pulse light. It's a broad spectrum light that penetrates your hair at different levels and helps to reduce hair by up to 80%. You use it once a week. You should see your first results at 2 to 3 weeks with full results at 12 weeks. So basically, at 12 weeks, you should have about 80% reduction in hair. The results are also long-term. You probably will want to touch it up every now and then. That's the same thing for if you actually go in somewhere and pay them hundreds and hundreds and thousands of dollars to do. Every now and then, if you feel like the hair is getting a little thicker, coming in a little too fast, just like do 1 or 2 sessions with this and it'll be back to where it was. And when you get this little guy, it comes in a box with the handset, a very long cord, and an instructional booklet to help you out. And I actually need to do my underarms today. I haven't done a touch-up on them in about 2 months, so I feel like it's time. It's removing the blazer, don't mind me. There's a little green button on the back. You can use it to turn it on, set it to your settings. So I have this set on a number 5 because I really don't have a lot of hair left. And then you just put it against your skin, wait for the little pink light to blink, and you go. All right, and other side. And my underarms have had their quarterly-ish touch-up. I actually want to call Anna Laura really quick. She's not in this week because she got some surgery a week and a half ago. If you want to know about that, it's on her Instagram. But she's been convalescing, and I have not let her come into the office. That girl's a workaholic. I have to leave her at home so that she doesn't work. But I want to call her and see what she thinks because she's used it like 3 times. So let's see how it went. Hey, sissy.
Hi.
How are you doing? You feeling okay?
I'm doing okay. I'm healing up. I'm excited to hopefully be back at work kind of soon.
Yeah, I'm excited for that too because I miss you.
I miss you too.
Okay, I was filming the Kenzie thing and I wanted to see what you thought about it so far.
So overall, I love it.
Really?
I really didn't expect to see results this soon. So I've done 3 treatments. Honestly, I started seeing results right away, but the biggest thing is like it has slowed down my hair growth so much.
What?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Like, that's definitely the biggest thing I've noticed because I used to, like, get 8 hours of, like, a fresh shaved feeling on my legs before it was, like, stubble and then, like, needles and then blown out.
I know what you mean.
Yeah. But now I feel like I don't, like, feel those hairs growing back in. And
I've
gone, like, a week between shaving each time because I just shave right before I do the Kenzie.
Mm-hmm.
And I haven't felt that, like, very prickly feeling, and it's been getting better each time. It feels thinner. It's hard. I've been taking pictures. It's hard to see it and like to see a big difference, but it's for sure something I feel.
All right, well, that's awesome. I'm so glad that you could like fill in because I feel like I'm so far past like the initial stage now. It's nice to hear what it's like for you. Thank you for giving us an update, sissy. You want to wave to the people?
Of course. Hi, guys. I'll be back soon.
I can't wait. Thanks, sissy.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye. I very much agree with Anna Laura. Like the finer hair that grows in slower, it's so good. But now that I've used it for 12 weeks, I also enjoy that there's just less hairs in general. So I definitely recommend using it. You can use code K50 to get $50 off your purchase if you want to try it too. It's on Kenzie.com and the code is KAY50. That is it for Kenzie. Love them so much. Thank you for sponsoring this part of the video. Let's keep moving on to the rest. Let's talk about a new hair tool that is currently changing my life. Now, this has been on the market for a long time, and it's been a hairstylist's favorite for a long time. And usually I just jump on those things. I'm like, ooh, hype train, let me jump on it. Didn't jump on this one. Thought that I could do without it. I was wrong. And it is the GHD Platinum Plus Styler. It's called a styler, not a flat iron, because it is meant for styling, whether you want to make your hair straight or wavy or curly. It does it all. I mean, for me, I've always like, okay, yeah, every flat iron to some extent does it all. But no. This one's different. Here it is though, here's why. Little U-shaped, wishbone shaped thing at the bottom means that the plates come together. There's not a stationary side and a mobile side, they just hug. And that gives you a surprising amount of control. Also, the plates just touch so nicely together. And then, this is the key part. This is what makes it a styler. The plates float more than any other tool I've seen. Usually if something floats, it goes like a little bit, like you can put pressure on it and it moves a little bit. This moves like all the way back and forth, which is so key. You cannot curl or wave the hair if the plates don't float, period. It has a rapid heat up, like within 30 seconds. It is a instant gratification dream. It has one heat setting, which at first I was concerned about, but it is 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is their healthy hair heat setting. And I agree, I think that's great for all hair types. And so especially it's very, very healthy for thick hair and totally fine in what I usually do for my fine hair. So on board with it, in love with it, highly recommend. I can't say enough good things. I feel like I've also been getting a lot better at styling my hair with a flat iron type device. And if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know, because I haven't done one in a very long time. Mostly because I was using the wrong tools, and now I'm using one that really works with me, and I love it. Okay, here's another one. This one is from me being a influencer. I don't know what to call myself. Sometimes I say YouTuber, sometimes I say influencer. Both of them feel much more pretentious than I am, so I don't know what to call myself. Anyway, I feel like every beauty guru has a like immense, immaculate lighted mirror setup. And it took me a long time to get on this train. But last year, I sweet talked Impressions Vanity into sending me one of their mirrors, and now I'm obsessed with lighted mirrors of all shapes and kinds. I mean, if you have ever sat on a bathroom counter, if you have ever done your makeup looking straight up into the ceiling so that you could have even light on your face, if you have ever done your makeup in one lighting and walked outside and realized that your nothing matched your anything, you need a lighted makeup mirror. If you wanna be bouge-tastic, oh my gosh, Impressions Vanity is the way to go. I mean, holy cows. It is good. It is really, really good. Really, really beautiful. Ugh, I love and am so glad that I have mine. They sent me the mirror and then I spent a bunch more money to do their whole Slay Station setup, and I love it. But that one's big ticket. So I also have a little Amazon one that is $50, which feels like a lot of money to spend on a mirror, but it's gonna last you a while and it's gonna make your makeup days always good makeup days. And make sure that like, if it looks like it matches in your house, it also matches outside. That is crucial, absolutely key. So I'm gonna link my little Amazon find that I have down below, because 50 bucks is not the tiniest amount of money, but compared to hundreds of dollars for a lighted mirror, it's pretty good. So I'll link that one. Impressions also has some really good small mirrors if you wanted to check those out. And also I love their big ol' Hollywood mirrors. It's just, whatever you do, whether it's big or small, make it lighted, because how are you supposed to really do your makeup well if you can't see it? Like, would you paint in the dark and expect it to look good? Probs not. So do not do that with your makeup. Okay, this next one, oh, it's so good. So I talked about the mixologist in my gift guide video. Also, I have a whole gift guide video where I talk about a lot of things under $30. So go watch that. Also some other splurgy things that I'm not talking about now. Anyway, I talked about the mixologist set, and then in the comments, someone put me on to the mix and mingle set, where you get all the same stuff and a bunch of products. So get that. This is literally the same price. But you get your wand base, you get a 1 1/4 inch iron, a 1 inch wand, Also, it just snaps in like really satisfyingly and then comes right back out. And finally, they have the waver. And the quality of the metal on the irons, the ergonomics of this, all of the components, so good, so quality, and it's the tools that you need to really do like the stuff that's trendy right now. Plus, it comes with some really great blow dry bar products to try. I don't know that people are talking about this a lot, but they should be, because it deserves hype and then it lives up to that hype. I styled my hair with the waver in my gift guide video, and I touched up my curls with the 1 1/4 inch clip-on today. I just really recommend, because all the things that are going strong and are gonna continue to go strong over the next couple years, you can do with those attachments. And I really love it. So I recommend wholeheartedly. Okay, we're gonna jump off the hair train for a second and talk about nails. I actually spend a lot of time on my nails. Even before lockdown, I did my own nails because I have trust issues. I don't like sitting still and letting somebody else hold my hands for an hour. I want to be able to do them myself. Just all the things. Guys, I have tried everything for at-home nails, and I finally discovered the Chiaroscuro Jelly Tip set. It was an investment that I have regained hundreds of times over. Essentially what it is, you get everything that you need to do an at-home gel manicure. I'm gonna just flash up some pictures of Anna Laura's nails because she uses it a lot and she is so good at it. Essentially, you get a dehydrator, a primer, you get a builder gel, and you get to pick your nail shape, and it comes in like a thing that looks kind of like a press-on nail, and you use the kit to place it onto your nail and then file it down into the shape that you want if you need to, and you've got a salon looking nail. Obviously you can paint over it with gel or with normal polish. Today I'm wearing Holo Taco. Girl, it is worth it. It is so good. Even if you're like nail dumb, you can do this. I'm nail dumb and I can do this. If you do end up buying it, I really, really recommend watching Susie from Nail Career Education's video on it, because that was what helped me to be able to use it finally. It takes a little bit of learning, but my nails can get really long on their own, so I'll use a couple layers of the builder gel just to make them extra strong so they don't break. And then I can paint over them. But then if any of my nails break, like this one's currently broken like all the way back to here, I can use my little Chiaroscuro Jelly Tips to put it on there and make it match everything else. Or I can pull an Anna Laura and do all of my nails and have a salon quality, like long blingy manicure. And the best thing about it, the reason it's so cool, is that the whole thing dissolves. It basically comes off the same as gel nail polish. So you wrap it up in acetone and aluminum foil and let it set for a while and it comes off. It's a lot easier and faster removal process than taking off press-on nails, or definitely like any other like harder like acrylic or something like that. So I love it. I recommend it. I think it's one of the best things I purchased all year. Okay, very final one. Now this is not expensive to buy like once, but it's expensive to do every month. And that is hair, skin, and nails vitamins. I am trying to grow my hair out. You know, I've really loved the short hair for like the last year and a half, but I'm really ready for a little bit longer. I know a bunch of you guys were asking in my ranking heatless hairstyles video what I used to use for my hair, and that was Hairfinity, and it definitely made a difference, but it wasn't what I wanted to use this time. I decided to go with Halo Beauty and do their hair, skin, and nails vitamin, and I'm also doing their brain booster, or whatever like their multivitamin booster is called. And one of the biggest differences I've seen is my skin. It is so much clearer, like less redness. It still gets red if I like touch it and stuff, but like just waking up and looking in the mirror, less redness, so much more radiant. Like, whoa, like my skin glows again. It was pretty dull for a while and I feel like the glow has come back. My pores look better. How did that happen? I don't know. I feel like that's worth it, but I also do really feel like my hair's getting longer and I feel like it's happening faster. I'm not certain that it's not a placebo, but if it's a placebo, I'm real happy with it. This is where my collarbone is. We are past collarbone by several inches, like 2 inches, but you know. I really think that getting my hair to like this length is so doable. I'm so excited about it because I've enjoyed my year and a half of short hair, don't worry. And I'm sure that I'm gonna cut my hair again because I really did love it. I kind of see myself changing my hair a lot more in the future than I used to. But just generally, it's done great things. My hair feels shinier, softer, my nails are stronger, my skin is glowing. I'm just very, very happy with it. So if you guys wanna know what I'm using and the vitamin that I am trusting to help me grow more hair, it's that one, and I have so far been loving it. And those are my products worth the hype. If you want some more recommendations on products that I think would be great for gifting, especially at a lower price point, check out my gift guide, because there are a whole bunch in there. Also, if you want to try out your own Kenzie, I highly recommend it. You can go to kenzie.com and use KAY50 for $50 off your purchase. Again, highly recommend, and I think it would be a great Christmas present for anyone who's been thinking about the whole laser hair removal journey. Because honestly, the Kenzie handset costs less than getting my legs done once in an office, and that's insane. But that's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely fun to just sit down and chat about some products that I've been loving. Let me know what you've been loving in the comments down below and what videos you'd like to see in 2021, because that's happening soon, and I'm very excited about that. Anyway, that's been it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Help support my channel. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button to join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley Melissa, where we learn about all things hair and how to love and style our hair even more. And of course, everybody, please hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. But that is it for today. Whether you're old or new or a casual lurker, thank you for spending time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! Now I have to find you again. Ah, cancel. Wait, where are you? There you are. I'm hip and can do technology. And a nice little hug. It also makes... Woo! I loved it. Where is it? I love this thing. Where did I put it? There it is. I think it's wine o'clock. It's wine o'clock. All right.